Marshall, I'm done. I'm like tired of this relationship. It's not working. Look, I can't continue like this. You can't even give me money to make my hair. You can't give me money. See, I've been using this hair for how many years now? You can't give me money to change it. You can't even subscribe my phone. You can't even change my phone. Look at my phone screen. In fact, I'm done. I'm tired.
Babe, like, you want to break up?
I can't continue. All you just do is sit, wash your younger one's clothes, eat and sleep. You can't even walk.
Babe, please, because no, don't go now.
Marshall, I'm tired.
Uncle Marshall, stop begging. Stop begging. Auntie, you that have started breaking people's heart like cabin biscuit. Just go. We don't need it again.
See hear what Goodluck said? That should go.
Uncle Marshall, don't beg again. Uncle, don't beg. We'll break your heart. Don't worry. Go.
I'm leaving.
Uncle, don't worry. She like breaking people's hearts. Me, don't worry. I know. Are you not a man? Take heart. Take heart. Are you not a man? Take heart. Take heart.
Hello? Yeah, good evening. Who is this? I'm not a carpenter. This is a wrong number. Please stop calling this line. I'm not a carpenter. Oh my God, what is this? I said I am not a carpenter. Can you stop calling this line? I am not a carpenter. Goodluck, how are you? Marshall, good afternoon. Since yesterday, so many people have been calling me, asking me if I'm a carpenter. I don't want to repair their furniture. See, another one is even calling me, saying, hello? Who is this? Please, I'm not a carpenter. What is this? See, I don't know what I'll do again. More than 50 people have been calling me since yesterday, asking me to come and repair their furniture, and I don't know what to do.
They've not started calling you. They will call you until you automatically become a carpenter. As I'm talking to you right now. Oh, your number is on Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Google. Everywhere, everybody has your number.
Hey, Goodluck, you people have killed me. Marshall.
Once you left here yesterday,
I'm finished.
Goodluck, Shebi, you're calling me a big fool. You don't have respect, Abi. Kneel down there, my friend. After fucking today with my slippers, your uncle will not recognize you. Stupid boy. You go and call your uncle. Oh yeah, open your hand.
Auntie, wait. Take a look at yourself from head to toe. Auntie, you are big. And you are large. And you are full too. That means you're a big fool.
Yes, so Goodluck.